found it. I only found one, but that's really all I need. I actually got in the car, loaded up, cameraed up, and then realized that I didn't have my straps. Okay, deadlifts gotta have. Well, at least I do. Some people don't. Everybody do things differently, man. You can't blame people for that. There's no one way, or there's no one set way. Whatever works for you, man. But you had to find my straps. So I put the camera in here, hit record, and went, God dang it. Had to go back inside, guys. I got my strap. I got my little, I don't know, I might do a little film on my little tripod thingy-majiggy. You know, people don't like, when people see cameras rolling, man, they don't like knowing that for no reason at all. They just don't like it. And I don't blame them, man. Nobody wants to knowingly know they've been recorded. Like, I have some spy glasses, right? Glasses that actually got a camera built inside. And like, some people be looking at me strange, like, is that a camera? There's no flashing LED light on it, so it's really discreet. It's just poor quality. And I can't believe I spent $200 for that piece of junk named Zank something. I'm trying to see if I can return that, guys, because a GoPro works so much better quality, but a GoPro is too huge and it's not discreet. You can actually see, people can see you got a damn GoPro on your head or you filming, so I don't like that. People will be more of themselves if they know or if they don't think they're being recorded. Okay, everybody tends to act a little differently if they know the camera running. I used to do ride share, drive Uber and Lyft. Man, people get in here and see that big camera on my rearview mirror, they automatically just change up. It's not that they was gonna do anything ill, it's just they act different when they know they're being recorded. You know, some people say, do you mind taking it down and turning it off? I'm like, no, this is my car. Rideshare, man, I haven't done rideshare since I wrecked my van. I'm still, I guess, employed with Uber and Lyft. So when I get my van back from the girl that's renting it, I might start a little bit, but I don't got time for that anyway. So it really worked out for the best. Matter of fact, when I had to crash, that's how it worked out, guys. It worked out just right for me. Think about this for a second. When I had to crash, when somebody wrecked me from behind, right? I got a total of almost $15,000, $16,000 for the actual van. They paid me for the van and the equipment. Oh my God, my YouTube equipment, my cameras and all my goodies. All my equipment, they paid for that. They came out to about $7,000. And I don't even think that case closed. It might be still pending because they ain't got my medical bills yet. But anyway, so I got 15 and I was like, damn, what's the point? And you know, I put all that money in the bank, and because I had no way to, I mean, I have other vehicles I do it in, but I only do use the van to do XL. When I ride share, when I do Uber and Lyft, I only did XL. Never did them little bitty down the street drives. No, you ain't about to waste my time. It was me to go big or go home. So I only did XL. So I was making good money, man. But I was out all times of night because every time I wanted to, all right, that's enough. Bing, 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 bing. I get another ping. And anytime you get them XL pings, it's lovely. It's always lovely. And that's why I didn't feel danger or feel any danger doing XL, because I'm always dealing with multiple people. So out of that bunch, if a gang of 6 people coming from a club and they all drunk, it's gonna be always at least one sane one in the bunch that would keep everybody else cool. So I love XL. But anyway, after the crash, no more ride share. Then I put like 90% of my focus into YouTube, and the channel was just blossom, guys. So basically, I didn't lose any money. The money that I was earning from rideshare, I could earn, you know, on the revenue stream off YouTube. I'm monetized, my channel monetized. All right, so it worked out just perfect. Okay, but greedy me, here I am still trying to find a way to get into rideshare and do YouTube. Okay, I'm just greedy like that. I don't know what's up with me. And I have well, my wife called me a money hoarder also. I have no plans. Man, this is the greatest country you can ever live in. To know that you can, I don't know, you can do unlimited things at one time. Okay? Yes, 9 to 5. I am an auto mechanic at a Chrysler Jeep Dodge dealership. After that, everything else. But none of it would be possible without the 9 to 5. So it's not like I should quit my 9 to 5 and everything else will blossom. No. It's like Jordan. Without the NBA, Jordan wouldn't be able to get those Reebok shoes or Nike contracts or anything like that. So the base of the employment status has to be intact. And in my case, it's my 9 to 5 at... And what's weird, guys, I still go all out at work. You see what I'm saying? I'm still trying to run a gazillion hours. I still want, you know, one time last year, I think I hit 100 hours. We get paid weekly over YouTube. So look at this. My goodness, they still. I'd be glad when this election over. It's a holiday. They still call them out election. But yes, my 9 to 5, I'm full blast, man. I'm not. It's like, man, whatever you do on earth, man, give it your all, guys. I mean, if you're going to be a janitor, be the best damn janitor you can. I'm at my 9 to 5. I'm going to bed 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, up from editing videos all night. And, you know, back up in the morning, back at work, still wondering what the hell wrong with this car. I bring my problem child home sometime and try to get on and do homework. I try to do all computer-related job work at home, okay, because I can be more comfortable. I need to find a wiring harness or where a wiring harness go. I try to plan that out, and because I can still log in to the database at home, and it's more comfortable for me to do it at home. But at the same time, at home doing homework from work, I'm on YouTube trying to edit a particular video that I got footage of. So it's like a million. And then as guys, I'm still trying to build tracks or beats for certain people. But I love it, man. I love it. I love this. I love everything about life right now. And to me, if you enjoying what you do, you're gonna do it, give it your all and be real good at it. That's where I am in life, man. I love what I do. Okay, what would I be? I don't know what I'd be doing if I hadn't, I don't know, 20 some odd years ago, went to school. Yes, I went to school for automotive technology. Did I learn anything? I'm sorry, but I didn't, guys. That's why I'm not a big fan of trying to encourage aspiring mechanics to go to school, trade school, college, whatever, because you can get a wealth of knowledge from that one journeyman that you work with, but you got to find a way to get in the door. I mean, ASC, sure, that's all good to have, but it's not a must. All right, guys, I am here at LA Fitness. I'm glad they open. Remember, it's January the 1st. So I wasn't even sure they was open. All right, guys, so let me take this down because we about to get popping, man. I got my straps. I'm gonna try to do some deadlifts, guys. I said try. We'll see how it goes once I get in here and see how many people got it tied up, got the machines tied up. All right, let's get it, man. Woo, it's raining. Yeah. What's up? Yeah, that's well, you're gonna need an office adapter housing, labor, I don't know, $200-$300. It's at a shop it's gonna be expensive. So if you can get an estimate, once you get an estimate on what a shop charges to do it, these little $200-$300 I'm saying you'll be happy you heard those. But what happens is it's the office adapter housing up top, and it leaks to the bottom, of course. Start on top of your transmission and just oil everywhere. And you got a 2014. That's the first model. That's the first early production we had that time. So. Sunday. Yeah, a little bit. That's something. Matter of fact, we can get it up in the air and I can show you where we can make the decision. Right there or whatever. But, yeah, we can get it fixed. Okay, take my number and text me so keep me, because I might forget. So I need to remind me of things like that. Okay. Alright, that'll work. Okay, fine. Alright, interrupted by a call, guys. Now, where was I? Somebody got a damn Wrangler with a leaking oil leak, with oil leaks. Let me get mine. Damn, guys, I forgot my damn, look, that's all I have in my pocket. I forgot the tripod thing to go in here. I normally set my camera on top of here and I get my film on, but good God almighty. But good news is somebody was doing deadlifts previously, I guess, so I'm gonna try to hit 315, 3 sets, but I ain't got nowhere to film, guys, so I'll catch y'all next time on some footage. Damn, brought this and then bring the thing to hold it. All right, I got work to do. I'll talk to y'all later.